Alright, now we're going to hook this up to the computer to get some settings set right. Take this and get it plugged into the computer, and you can see how some things work. So what you're going to notice is on the top of your Zoom, you've got this connector. This is for a USB. It doesn't come with this cord, but you probably have one laying around, just a standard USB cord. If not, you can go down to Best Buy or somewhere and get one of these. So it's going to plug into here and then plug into your computer. So we just plug this into here, and you'll see the light come on right here. That means it's powered. And up here are some transmit and receive lights that you'll see in just a minute. Alright, now we're going to hook up the computer and we'll see what that looks like. Basically, we got our USB plug plugged into the Quadrino, and then the other plug right here goes in your laptop. I'm using a MacBook. It doesn't really matter. Actually, you need to plug it in first, then start it. But the software will be on the website to download. We're using 2.2. There's also other software to flash your firmware, to upgrade your firmware, and that's available from Flying Einstein. That link will be on the website. So we plugged it in, then we started over here on the left hand side. You're going to see this USB and some stuff. Click on that, then you come down here, hit start, and then hit read. Now the whole time you're doing this, you should not have your motors connected to the Quadrino, or if you do, have the propellers off, because it could be very dangerous. Not good things happening. So right now we got our board, it's level. The first thing you do is I'm going to click this, Calibrate ACC. It's going to do some goofy stuff here, and then it'll, boom, level. So now when I move my board, you can see the roll and pitch move. Okay, the next thing we do is hit Calibrate Mag, and then you're going to move your board 360 degrees in every direction. So just kind of flipping and flopping. Make sure it goes 100 or 360 degrees in all the axes. So roll, yaw, pitch, and that's it. And you can see it move like crazy over there. And that calibrates your magnet, or for your mag heading. It'll hold the same compass heading. Alright, now what we got here is some values. We're going to come back to these PID values, what those are. That's kind of a mess. But we're going to go over here right now and look at these settings. I've got my receiver plugged in those wires, as we said before, and the board is powered by the USB port, so your receiver is also powered. So right now you can see the numbers moved up here. Basically what you're going to check is make sure that your transmitter is set for the way you want it to, the pitch and roll and stuff. So like right here, I pulled, see, okay, watch it. I pulled down and the bars get less. So the blue bars go in the direction of your control, and that's what you want. If you pull down and the bar goes to the right, then you need to reverse that channel on your transmitter. Here's roll left, roll right. That's really easy to see. If you go left and the blue bars go to the right, like that, when you go left, that's reverse. Go reverse your channel. And yaw is left and right. You want to be about 1500 in the middle. The throttle should be a little bit lower than that, but that should be good. Basically, you want them to go 1090 this way and 1905 this way. So that one could use a little bit. So what you got to do is you go in your travel adjustment in your transmitter. Let's see here. Okay, so I'm going to select roll. Then I'm going to move this to the left, and let's see. When I go left on roll, it's going down to 1116. So I'm going to change this all the way to get my roll to be 1090, and then to the right should be 1905-ish. So that's good. Pitch. Okay, I'm going to have to change that. So I'm going to go elevator on the transmitter. Move my stick. See, pitch is at 1115. Okay, and up. That's good there. Yaw, that one needs to be corrected. So you can see those moving right there. That's the number I'm looking at. bringing that down to 1090 with a full deflection-ish. So there you go, there's 1090. Then you can go this way, 1905, that's perfect. Throttle's good. Okay, and we check that. Now, here you can see up here are aux. See my aux 1 is moving like this. So what I'm going to do is, now is when you're going to do the fun stuff. Aux 1, high, middle, low. High, just leave blank because so you have an offset. And then what I'm going to do, I like this horizon mode, so I'm going to put that in for middle. Just go and click on it. And then for low, I'm going to put horizon and barometer. That means altitude hold. You can use angle as well. It's just they're just a little different of what horizon and angle do. Horizon is kind of like auto level, and then the more you push your sticks, the less it's going to be trying to level. And if you go full deflection, you're in acro mode. So I really like that mode. For me, I like it. Angle mode, it tries to stay level a lot harder, so you're very stable. And aux 2, that was my gear. See now, oh yeah, I'm gonna hit right, so it's right's the board. I hit it twice. Okay, so now that wrote on there. Unless you hit right, nothing happens. So now you watch. I'm gonna flip my aux 1 switch. Watch. Boom. Horizon comes on, and horizon and barrel come on. It's a good way to check, make sure you're getting the functions you need. Okay, aux 2. For now, because I'm doing some programming, we're going to use the arm. So that means aux 2, or for this one, it's my gear. Oh, I got it right. I hit right. It arms it. When it pulls away, it doesn't. Now this is a secondary arming mechanism. Already in the software, you move your rudder stick left and right to arm and disarm it. But this is a really easy way to just boom, boom. So since we're doing a lot of programming, I've got that set on my gear switch. So right now, it looks like we've got everything set. We've got our controls going in the right direction, and everything like that. What I'm going to do now is wire up these motors, show you the color codes on the motors, and then go fly.